Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Ali, and I'm absolutely delighted to have this opportunity to introduce myself to all of you today. Let me begin by sharing some basic information about myself. I am from the beautiful city of Karachi, Pakistan, where I was born and raised. I come from a wonderful family that has always supported my dreams and ambitions. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a teacher. They both instilled in me the values of hard work, honesty, and continuous learning. Speaking of education, I completed my early schooling from Karachi Grammar School and then pursued my bachelor's degree in computer science from the University of Karachi. During my college years, I developed a strong interest in digital content creation and media production, which eventually led me to where I am today. Now let me tell you about my professional journey. I am currently a full-time YouTube content creator and digital entrepreneur. My work primarily involves creating educational and entertainment content for my channel. I specialize in making animated stories, English learning tutorials, and creative videos that help people learn new skills while being entertained. My typical workday starts early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 a.m., begin with some light exercise and meditation, then plan my content for the day. The creative process involves script writing, video editing, sound recording, and animation work. I particularly enjoy the animation part because it allows me to bring characters and stories to life. One of the most rewarding aspects of my job is connecting with people from all around the world. Through my YouTube channel, I get to interact with viewers from different countries and cultures. It's amazing how technology has made it possible to build a global community of learners and creators. When I'm not working on videos, I enjoy pursuing various hobbies and interests. I'm an avid reader, particularly fond of self-development books and fiction novels. I also love watching movies, especially animated films and documentaries. Traveling is another passion of mine. Exploring new places and experiencing different cultures always inspires my creative work. In terms of personal values, I strongly believe in the power of consistency and perseverance. Success doesn't happen overnight, and I've learned that showing up every day, even when motivation is low, is what truly makes the difference. I also value authenticity. Being genuine and true to oneself is something I strive for in both my personal and professional life. Let me share some of the challenges I've faced in my journey. When I first started creating content, I struggled with technical aspects like video editing and sound quality. There were times when I felt discouraged by slow growth or negative comments. However, I learned to see these challenges as opportunities for growth. Every mistake became a lesson, and every setback made me more resilient. Some of my key achievements include reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, creating over 500 educational videos, and building a wonderful community of engaged learners. But beyond the numbers, what truly matters to me is the positive impact my content has on people's lives. When someone tells me that my videos help them learn English or brighten their day, that's the real success for me. Looking towards the future, I have several exciting plans. I want to expand my content to include more language learning resources, collaborate with other creators, and perhaps even write a book about digital content creation. I'm also planning to start online workshops to help aspiring creators start their own YouTube journeys. If I could share some advice with anyone starting their creative journey, it would be this. First, start before you feel ready. Second, focus on providing value to your audience. Third, be patient and consistent. And most importantly, enjoy the process rather than just chasing results. I believe that learning is a lifelong journey, and I'm committed to continuously improving both my content and myself. Whether it's learning new video editing techniques, improving my communication skills, or exploring new content formats, I'm always looking for ways to grow and evolve. In conclusion, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to my story. I hope this introduction has helped you get to know me better. I'm excited about the possibility of connecting with you through my content and learning from your experiences as well. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So whatever dreams you're pursuing, keep going, keep learning, and never underestimate the power of small, consistent steps. Thank you again, and I look forward to our journey together. This is Ali signing off with warm wishes and positive energy. Have a wonderful day ahead.